Okay, we now have the view elements in place, our HTML. We also have our values, which are bound to our form fields and form elements. When we click submit, we now want to update the database with the values that have been, one or more values that have been edited. It could be a case that none of them are edited, which would be a bit pointless, but it's possible. So we create our route, or our route. We specify the HTTP method as post because it's coming from our form. And remember, our form has been more or less cut and paste from the add task view. So that will use a post method. Why use post? Well, one of the reasons is the post method hides the values from the URL bar when they're being sent across. We pass in the task ID because that's our hook into the primary key, or the primary key if it was a relational database. So what we do is we access the tasks collection, and then we call the update function. And we specify the ID that's our key to uniqueness. And once that's in place, we'll then specify the form fields, and we'll match those to the keys on the task collection. Notice also, like, just as the documents in our collections have a separate set of curly braces for our object and our key value pairs, we do the same when updating in Python. So we have curly braces that wrap around the ID, and then we have a set of curly braces that wrap around each key value pair outside the ID. Okay, so the task name, category name, task description. Use the request object for the form to access the form. And its form values or form components. Oh yeah, we need to put these inside in quotations, because they are a form of JSON, these key value pairs, and use colons instead of equals or assignment values. These are the things that can catch you up, and to an extent they will always catch you at some point, but as you become more experienced, you'll recognize these bugs more quickly. So the due date. Also, don't forget to separate each key value pair with a comma. It's those comma delimiters. They provide the intelligence to these functions to let it know that, or to let them know that one key value pair is complete and the next key value pair is available for processing. This kind of comma separation and colon separation, it's common across nearly every programming language. So once you get a feel for it in one language, you'll recognize it very, very quickly if you end up using a different programming language. Okay, we need to run it. Let's edit the date. Change fiendly to friendly. That's just Calendly reminding me to improve my grammar. Edit task. And there we see it. Buy more detergent, 22nd of January 2018. And our edit's complete.